everyone, today I will discussing the Philippine presidents from Ramon Magsaysay to Bongbong Marcos. Ramon Magsaysay, 1953-1957. Ramon Magsaysay implemented agrarian reforms, quelled the Hukbalahak Rebellion, and promoted transparency and accountability, earning him the nickname Champion of the Masses. And Carlos P. Garcia, 1957-1961. Carlos P. Garcia introduced the Filipino First policy, implemented the austerity program, and promoted cultural arts, recognized as the Friends of Visayan Poet. Diosdado Macapagal, 1961-1965. Diosdado Macapagal established the first land reform law, changed Philippine Independence Day to June 12, and placed the Philippines peso on the currency exchange market. Ferdinand Marcos, 1965-1986. Ferdinand Marcos implemented infrastructure projects, declared martial law in 1972, and increased military size and armed forces. Corazon Aquino, 1986-1992. Corazon Aquino restored democracy, abolished the 1973 Marcos Constitution, and signed the Family Code of 1987 and Local Government Code. Fidel V. Ramos, 1992-1998. Fidel V. Ramos hosted the APEC Summit in 1996, presided over Philippine Independence Centennial celebrations, and signed peace agreements with rebel groups. Joseph Estrada, 1998-2001. Joseph Estrada implemented anti-poverty programs, hosted the ASEAN Summit in 1999, and signed the Holo Agreement with the MILF. Gloria Macapagal Arroyo, 2001-2010. Gloria Macapagal Arroyo implemented economic reforms, hosted the ASEAN Summit in 2005, and signed the peace agreement with the MNLF. Benigno Aquino III, 2010-2016. Benigno Aquino III implemented the K-12 education program, signed the Reproductive Health Law, and hosted the ASEAN Summit in 2012. Rodrigo Duterte, 2016-2022. Rodrigo Duterte implemented the Build Infrastructure program, signed the Train Law, and hosted the ASEAN Summit in 2017. Bongbong Marcos, 2022 to present. Bongbong Marcos implemented the Maharlika Investment Fund, signed the Same Registration Act, and hosted the ASEAN Summit in 2023. In conclusion, that's a brief overview of the Philippine presidents from Ramon Magsaysay to Bongbong Marcos. Each president has contributed the country's growth and development in their own way. That's all. Thank you.